friends, my voice is back. I'm still a little snuffly, but so much better than I was this past week. So let's get started with planning for June, since I feel like I'm kind of behind, but that's okay. Had to take care of myself first. I already dated. These are undated inserts, printable inserts from Lights Planner Action. I have a link to her in the description below. And then I used date dots from Exo Mama Plans. And the kit that I plan on using today is from Creating & Co. And I thought it would be a fun one since June is the main month for our library's summer reading program. It goes until July 15th, but like the bulk of it happens in the month of June. So I thought, oh, do like a summer break road trip type vibe for this month. So that's what we're going to do. I also have like bits and pieces from Coffee Planner Mom as always, and I'll try and let you know about those as we go. So I think we'll start using the washi at the top here. So yeah, my first week of break and ended up having an upper respiratory virus. Not the best. I'm still like, so this was 8 days out, 9, we're on day 10. So pretty much over it, just kind of like the lingering sinus stuff. Plus, you know, it's allergy season, so that doesn't help either. That helps nothing. All right. Notes. I think let's use this guy. And we're actually going to title this Reading. Or do I want to use my bookcation sticker? It's a little big. It's a little big for that spot. So let me find my Reading sticker. This is a Coffee Planner Mom sticker, but we put that there. And I am I don't want to say redoing, but I'm reconfiguring my planner stuff right now. So is he a little large for that space? How do I want to do this? I mean, I know that's Sunday, right? Do I trim it a little bit? What if we do it's not going to be perfect, but will it be better? Let's see if I go here. Don't put it all the way down because her stickers are pretty sticky. And place this one here. Oh, that'll work. It's not exact, but it'll work. Books can take you anywhere. And let's put some of the road trip deco here. That's fun. Yay. Okay, let's start doing the actual plans and then we'll kind of get into there. So basically everything from this past week got rescheduled. So this week I have chiropractor. Dad has a dentist appointment. It's my birthday. Happy birthday, but I'm going to use something different for that, I think. Next week. Is there anything big next week? I don't think so. I'm kind of a chunk of quiet. Professional development. I do have a vacation Bible school meeting there. And then, wait, no, I didn't do that wrong. Okay, Dad has a shot appointment there. Let's go ahead and write those in or I will forget. So this is from the greenery kit, and I just thought the colors went with everything else going on in this spread. So there you go. That's why I'm choosing that. Let's do birthday. And then my friend Gail's birthday. I know I have birthday stickers. I have a ton of those. There we go. Let's use these guys. Let go of the sticker. Woot woot. I'm not going to do a separate. Maybe I just do that. Do I do that instead? Let's see, can I remove this one from that one? If not, I'll just cover it up. It's fine, not the end of the world. That's cool. That shouldn't have been able to happen. Let's grab the sound effects for everything. We'll go. I guess we could even do it here, couldn't we? Maybe. Let's put reading there. Oh, hang on. Oh, nope, that sticker decided it's staying there. Okay, we're not gonna mess with that then. And let's put this guy right here. And I might use some of this deco in. Well, actually, let's go like 5. Map there. Put the little gas station guy next to the car. That's cute. I like that. That's fine. I do have, these are stickers I got a long time ago, but the shop still exists. I believe it's on Etsy. Yes, the BEPD shop. So I'm going to use these for books I'm reading. I'll start with the green one, I guess, because I am currently reading Dream a Little Dream by Kristen Gear. I put my pen in a good spot. There it is. And I'll put more of the info on that one in my reading journal. So I guess that's it for this part of the spread. Let's flip this page over and grab, oh, that guy. Now, I've talked before about how much I love the tasks and habits pages. They are my favorite. So we got to start with, usually pick a different color pen. Let's do that. Let's pick something fun. Maybe a green. Since the front is green, let's do that. All right, so this is my habit tracking. I love this page. It's one of my favorites. My habit tracking, I think because I don't want to track too many habits, I'll go ahead and put this guy down here. Or do I want to put him in the notes? Let's put him in the notes. And then we can use the bookcation sticker from a freebie of Coffee Planner Mom. Let's put a maybe like that. Bookcation. Love it. Love it. And then to finish up this sheet, let's cover up to-dos, and we'll put a little to-do. If I have it, I should have a to-do somewhere, right? Right? I'll just write it. It's fine. To-dos, goals. This page I kind of want to sit with myself. I've been kind of in my head a little bit lately, and I want to make sure that I'm taking time to do this. Now, I do want to show you how I've been reworking my planner, because you might remember, maybe not, I don't know, that this guy's getting pretty chunky on the metal discs. So I went on Amazon and I looked for 2-inch discs, and I found some plastic one, because I like metal discs. They're great. I don't mind plastic discs either. So these are 2-inch plastic discs. And I mean, this guy is still pretty chunky. But the other thing I did, since I'm doing printable layouts this year, is I moved the 2 months that I'm kind of currently in. So I've got June and July up front. Yeah, moved them to the front of my planner. So there is my monthly setup for June. Stay tuned for some more fun plan with me's, including a new planner setup that I'll be doing. Very excited for. I think it's going to help with the chunkiness of things and just give some of my planner stuff some longevity. So I'll catch you all in the next one.